upload your own audio if you want it to be super, super realistic and you want your voice to be behind it. But this is just some computer generated voices. But let's just delete a bit of this so it processes a bit quicker. I'm going to delete that, and then I'm going to change the voice, and then I'm going to click generate video, and then we'll see what this looks like.
Hello, in this video we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how it works.
Now, obviously it's quite robotic. It's because the voice that we're using is robotic. I think if you upload your own voice, it will sound a bit more realistic. But I think the best way to use something like this, if you wanted to use this in your business or you wanted to use it to create YouTube videos, is to actually go down the route of saying it's AI. And that kind of gives the excuse for it being quite robotic. Everyone's talking about AI at the moment. So if you wanted to create a YouTube channel called The AI News, and it was presented by an AI robot that was speaking a little bit like AI, you could create a full brand around that and people would subscribe to that because they're expecting it to be AI generated. Or if you wanted to add this onto your website, you could maybe just introduce it as like, hi, I'm Liam, I'm the AI assistant. Here I'm going to show you how you could create your first email with our software if it's like a tutorial video. And it kind of gives the excuse of why he looks like an AI generated robot. Next up is an AI tool that could actually help you make a lot of money because it allows you to clone yourself and also record personalized sales videos. I'll show you how it works now. So it's this one here. It's called Be Human. So in the previous one, we talked about these AI generated avatars. This is actual real people in videos, but you can actually make them personalized using AI technology. It's pretty crazy. I'll show you how it works now. So you could record your own videos, which I think is best because it makes it more realistic if you're doing it yourself. Or you can use some of these templates here, which are also very suitable as well. So there's lots of templates down here and they are for different things. So they're for like lead generation, customer care and support. So for example, you've got a business and someone is buying a product from your Shopify store and they get to the cart but they don't actually check out. You want to send them an email. Rather than just send them a boring old email, you can actually send them a personalized video that actually speaks directly to them and says, well, I've noticed that you've not actually finished your order. So this here.
Hey name, I just got notified that you filled your shopping cart but didn't proceed to check out.
So she said, hey name, and we can have AI technology replace the word name with whatever the person has abandoned their cart so they get a personalized video and it looks realistic as well. So let's just show you how this works. Click on use this template, and then you can actually connect this directly to like a spreadsheet, or you can just use this one here, and then you can connect this to your email marketing software. So in this column here where it says name, you can just put anything. So you can put Brian, you can put John, you can put Liam. Then if you click generate first names, it will actually create versions of these names so she will say them names. Now let's just play this video just to see what it sounds like with my name in.
Hi Liam, I just got notified that you filled your shopping cart, but...
See, that's pretty realistic. If I would have got that sent to me via email, I would have thought that she's actually recorded me a video for my name. So it's a really cool piece of software. And if you use these pre-recorded videos, they obviously would have already had all the names recorded in her voice. So it's all ready to go. If you wanted to do this yourself from scratch and actually upload your own video, then what you would have to do is you'd have to upload the clip and then just leave a gap for the name. And then what you'd have to do, traditionally you'd have to do is sit there and record all of the names that you think. So you'd have to go Brian, John, Liam, which obviously takes quite a long time and you'd have to build it up. But what you can do if you want to totally automate this so you haven't got to sit there recording all of the names under the sun, you can team it together with this app, Descript, which I talked about before, and you could just add a list of names in here, or you could even go over to ChatGPT and ask it to compile a list of the top 100 names in America, put it in this Descript, get the AI to say it in your voice, their names, and then you could download that audio file, upload it into here for your video, and then all of your customers are going to be getting personalized videos with their names in using your voice, and it's going to look really realistic and it's going to increase conversions, help with sales and everything like that. The next one is a little bit technical and it doesn't sound that exciting at first, but it is a crazy piece of software, and when I explain the possibilities, it will blow your mind, so make sure you keep watching. So it's this tool here called browse.ai, and I will leave a link to a free account in the description down below so you can try this out totally for free. It's a really cool tool that allows you to extract data from any website on the internet. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to have any API keys, you don't need to have any permission, and you can scrape any data and you can use it in so many different ways. And it's all going to make sense when I show you kind of